Hello friend, welcome to Modia GK World. Today we are discuss top 20 important India GK question and answer. So friends, most watch the video. Question number 1. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Right answer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 2. Who is Indian Prime Minister initiated the Green Revolution? Right answer, option B, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Question number 3. In which year did India gain independence from British rule? Right answer, option C, 1947. Question number 4. When was the Indian National Congress founded? Right answer, option B, 1885. Question number 5. Who was the first Indian to receive a Nobel Prize? Right answer, option C, Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 6. Who is the current Chief Justice of India as of 2025? Right answer होची option C, Bhushan Ramakrishna Gabhai. Question number 7. Which party is currently ruling India as of 2025? Right answer, option C, Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. Question number 8. What is the longest river in India? Right answer, option C, Ganga. Question number 9. What is the capital of Mizoram? Right answer, option D, Aizawl. Question number 10. Which is the largest lake in India? Right answer, option C, Bhimbinath Lake. Question number 11. What is the longest beach in India? Right answer, option B, Marina Beach. Question number 12. Which is the largest sector in India's economy? Right answer, option C, service sector. Question number 13. Who is the governor of the Reserve Bank of India as of 2025? Right answer, option D, Sanjay Malhotra. Question number 14. Which state has the highest per capita income in India? Right answer, option C, Goa. Question number 15. In which state is the Kaziranga National Park located? Right answer, option B, Assam. Question number 16. Which Indian scientist won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930? Right answer, option C, C.V. Raman. Question number 17. Where is the headquarters of ISRO located? Right answer, option C, Bangalore. Question number 18. Who developed the concept of zero? Right answer, option B, Aryabhat. Question number 19. What is the main focus of the DRDO in India? Right answer, option C, Defense Research and Development. Today last question. Who is known as the father of Indian space program? Right answer होची option C, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai.